But a new body does not mean a new start. It's just a continuation of the fate we have created for ourselves.
Karmapa says, don't be afraid of death. Death does not put an end to our experience.
Life and death are like a river without a beginning or an end. Sometimes water, sometimes ice.
The family sets out to Tsurphu to be present at the enthronement of their son as the new living Buddha. Even Karmapa's little brother is going along.
The family had been longing for a second son for so many years. And now, as Karmapa, he's left them. The last-born child is again a son and a comfort to them.
His mother breastfed Karmapa for 3 years. The little boy had what we normally describe as a happy childhood. His 6 older sisters contributed to his well-being. Immediately after he was born, his mother sent one of his sisters to fetch water at the river. When the sister came back, she said a magpie had just given her the name of her new brother, Apo Gaga. And so, for the first 7 years of his life, until his discovery, he was called Apo Gaga.
After a journey which lasted 10 days, first on horseback and then by jeep, the family arrives in Tsurphu, only a few days before the enthronement.
For the first time, the family meets their little Apo Gaga as the great Karmapa. Karmapa is now as much an object of reverence for them as for everyone else.
They cope with this situation neither with pride nor with sadness, but with respect and humility.
More than once, Apo Gaga's father had offered him an education, a Tibetan euphemism for a spanking. Now, of course, he regrets it.
Isn't the little boy sad about being separated from his family?
He seems to feel completely comfortable being Karmapa and being the boss here. He already had his 7 years of untrammeled and happy childhood with his family, and he doesn't seem to miss them. From now on, the relationship between him and his family will be restricted to short visits like this.